To this video, we're going to do island hopping. Seeing nature's glamorous outfit to showcase. Enjoy ultimate activities. Hop onto a banquet, a unique local boat. Unlimited swimming in crystal clear sea. And lastly, it's a private location for family get-togethers. Woo! From Consolation, we start our 40-minute drive to Roro Ports Cordova, where you can choose to take a taxi the entire trip. Please note, though, that if you bring leche and baboy, you won't be allowed to take a taxi because of the smell. Therefore, you should carry that stuff and ride a motorcycle for those who commute. We have already reached Roro Ports at this point. And we will simply wait for our boat to arrive to collect us. What? After 20 minutes of waiting, our boat has just arrived and we are ready to come aboard. Although this boat can actually hold more than 40 packs, we would rather have just 30 due to stability concerns. Just for the safety.
Article dancehall boy. I saw the thing. They'll vibe on a record. They might try to terminate my life. Every day I just the shisha for better life. All of a sudden they throw me.
In this moment, all crew are already on board. And we are now departing sailing to our first trip. Gilatongan Island. This island is approximately 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, southeast from the town of Cordova. The island is one of the destinations of island hopping tours because the island has white sand beaches and a marine sanctuary where tourists can do snorkeling and underwater diving activities. As we got closer, we also ate breakfast to satisfy our hunger. Throughout the journey, we experienced a fresh, invigorating breeze emanating from the sky. And now we just arrived. They're preparing safety gears to jump safely into the sea. Next island is Keohagen, or sometimes spelled Kauhagan. This island is one of the islands that constitute the Olango Island Group, a group of islands off the coast of Matan Island. Although many residents still rely on fishing, but some Keohaganon are employed in tourism, working in the beach resort in the island. It is 11:30 a.m. and we are already at lunchtime. By the time we reached the second island, our stomachs were already full and prepared to plunge back into the sea. Nothing compares to the joy of a family having meals together. Their acts demonstrate how contented they are in this moment. Where all problems may temporarily change with happiness and forgiveness to all mankind. Finally, but just as important, the island of Nalassoan. Nalassoan is a marine sanctuary. It's a great site for snorkeling and basking in the sun. Various species of fish roamed all around, you making your snorkeling experience truly memorable and exciting activities. Really the venture. Here's the final section, where you can try your hand at jet skiing, banana boating, swimming, and diving to see the underwater world. Sometimes making family gatherings is truly heartwarming. Spending quality time with everyone, sharing laughter, stories, and memories. Together presents made the day extra meaningful, and hopefully looking forward for our next get-together. We just landed at the same port at precisely 5 p.m. Remember that if you don't have a car, you can walk all the way to the motorbike area and ride till you reach the highway. All costs will be added later. You can use screenshots as a guide. Thank you. I appreciate your viewing. And if you enjoyed it, just let me know what you think in the comments section. You might want to subscribe. Please share this video, like it, and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next vlog.